Welcome to our programming tutorial. In this quick 2-minute video, we're going to show you how to optimize your code for blazing fast performance. Let's start with the basics. Have you ever wondered how long your code takes to run? The Sys.time function helps you measure it. For a more detailed analysis, we have the system.time function. It provides valuable insights into user time, system time, and elapsed time. For precise timing and labeling code segments, use the TikTok package. With TikTok, you can measure time with precision. Benchmarking is essential. The benchmark package helps you compare code performance. Benchmark different expressions and choose the fastest one. Lastly, use the order function to sort your data efficiently. And there you have it, folks. These tips and tools will help you optimize your code, saving you time and resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. Happy coding!